Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to protect your sheets, cells, and how to protect from editing. Before that, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and click on the bell button. So in here I have a sheet where I want to edit some of the items here, and I don't want to edit the total because I have a function here. I don't want to edit these, right? So if somebody is using it, I don't want to even click on them to see what it is or edit none of these. So in order to do that, there's two things you need to do, right? So first of all, select the range you want to edit, do a right click, and format cells. By default, it's locked. So uncheck it and click OK. So now the cells are unlocked. Now go to review ribbon, and to make it simple, there is a protect sheet, and under protect sheet by default these two should be checked by default. So uncheck this one, select locked cells. So uncheck this one and put a password, right? You could put a password in here. For time being, I'm not going to put a password, so I'm just going to click OK. So right now over here you can see in the ribbon the sheet is protected. So that means if I click here and it changes to 20, that changes. So the value changes, the items over here changes. But if you try to click on anywhere here, you can do it, right? Because these are protected area. So if I do a unprotected and says protect sheet again, if I say select locked cell, click OK. So this is again protected, but you could select these cells. See, these cells are selectable. So you could even add or modify these as needed. But we don't want to do that, right? So that's why we want to protect it and do a select locked cell, so we will prevent users from selecting the locked cell. So protect sheet again, and make sure you add a password. For time being, I'm not adding a password. So I'm going to change this to 20, and everything will change based on that. Only thing is I cannot click here or edit here or make any data change over these areas. That's all. Thank you for watching.